Would you like to make this yours?
No.
Let me ask you, how do you deal with rejection? Does it look like this?
Nothing is over until we decide it is!
Or maybe it looks like this.
Oh yeah, we don't take no for an answer.
All right, let's do this. Let's talk about something very, very important in the world of sales. It's called yielding.
I found a yield sign.
And not that kind of yielding. Let me tell you what yielding is. So yielding happens in sales when we come across a moment of discomfort. Come across a time as salespeople where, oh boy, I don't know. It's an objection. It's doing the follow-up. It's asking for the sale. It's handling a negotiation. It's dealing with a mean person, whatever it is. We come across those moments and we go, I am really, really uncomfortable. Well, what does your brain want you to do when you're uncomfortable? Your brain wants you to bail out. Your brain is going to say, get me out of here. The fact is that yielders struggle with objections. They struggle with negotiation and rejection and dealing with bad news. So those yielders hate rejection. And why? Because they tend to take it personally.
Don't take it personal.
Now look, the fact is we all have a little yielding in us because it's human nature. We all face discomfort. It's not a matter of whether we're uncomfortable. It's all about how we deal with that discomfort, including the discomfort of rejection. Now, I want to lay on you a very important principle. Buyers reject a concept, not a person. When you get a rejection from your customer, they're rejecting an idea. They're not rejecting you. So here's my tip for you. When you hear no, come up with an automatic interpretation in your brain. When you hear the word no, I want you to hear these two words, not yet. Not yet. That's it. When you hear somebody say no, you want to interpret that in your brain as not yet. You know who's great at this? 5-year-olds. 5-year-olds are great. When they hear no, it's come back, try it again, try it again. I don't know what it was that caused us to lose that sense of 5-year-old self. That's what the 5-year-old heard, not yet. Now that not yet moment is absolutely critical because it speaks to what's going on in your brain. It speaks what's happening to you. And I want to suggest that your mental response is far more important than your technical response. Now, in a different episode of 5-Minute Sales Training, we'll talk about what to say. Right now, we're just talking about what to think. You see, if you flinch, if you look like you were lacking confidence in that moment, you will transfer that to your customers, and then you will affirm that the rejection was the wise thing to do. That would be bad. Look, it doesn't matter what you say unless you first understand what you should think. And I'm here to tell you right now that translating no into not yet is the one thing that you can do today, you can work on right away to change your mindset. You see, if you really believed that the no was nothing more than a not yet, you would automatically go back into recovery mode. You would automatically say, gee, well, what has to happen in order to get this moving along? This is your goal. When you hear no, you want to hear not yet. That is the fast track to keeping this sale alive. Hey, thanks once again for watching our 5-Minute Sales Training. Have you subscribed? Have you gone over to jeffshore.com and signed up to receive our weekly emails? We don't spam, we don't sell your list, it's real simple. Keep watching 5-Minute Sales Training and remember, learn more to earn more.